Worthy real-life problems. Yeah, it could be very worthy to know how to perform those simple calculations to survive in this world. Not to be cheated in every store you go, in every trade you do. So let's go over the first one. Jamie has 522 stickers. He gives 197 to his brother and 24 to his sister. How many stickers does he have left? Okay, so if he has 522 stickers and he gives away 197 and gives away another 24, this is the operation we have, and we want to know the result of this. Now, this is an exercise without a calculator, so you might want to do in another way. You first work out how much is 197 plus 24, and then subtract that value from the 522. It's simpler than doing the first one, right? So let's do the brackets first. So it's 197 plus 24. So we have 7 plus 4 is 11. You have a spare 1. 9 plus 3 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 221 is what he has given away. So we have 522 minus 221. Okay, now we want to do this subtraction. 522 minus 221. 1 to 2 is 1, 2 to 2 is 0, and 2 to 5 is 3. Okay, so the result of this exercise will be 301. Alright, so yeah, from the 522, after giving away 221, he still has left 301. Okay. Second one, Eric goes to town with 15 pounds. He spends 8.50 in a new scarf. Okay. Let's start by that. Okay, he has 15 pounds. Okay, and he spends 8.50 in a new scarf. Okay, 15 is the same as having 15.00. Okay, so this is the subtraction we want to work out. Okay, so 0 to 0 is 0, 5 to 10 is 5. We have a spare 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 to 5 is 6. And 9, not 9 to 5, but 9 to 15 is 6. And 1 to 1 is 0. So he still has 6.50. Okay, £6.50. Now he meets his nan, who gives him 20 pounds and tells him to take 10 pounds for his sister. Okay, so he has 6.50, and his nan gives him an extra 20 pounds. Okay, so his money now will be 0 to 0, 0, 5, 6, and 2. Okay, now he has 26 pound 50. Eric then sees a jumper he likes, which costs 18 pound. If Eric buys the jumper, will he still have 10 pound to give to his sister? Okay, let's check that out. Let's assume that he bought the jumper. Alright, so he has 26.50, and he bought the jumper that is 18 pound. Okay, so we have to subtract that money from the money he has. So 0, 0 to 5 is 5, 8 to 16 is 8, we have a spare 1, 2 to 2 is 0. So in the end it has £8.50. Okay, so the question is, will he still have £10 to give to his sister? Well, no, because he is left only with £8.50. Okay, so he doesn't have the £10 anymore. Okay, that's the answer to your question. Number 3, Parvati and Zain stop at a coffee for a breakfast. And then we have all the prices of the breakfast snacks and the drinks, and also we have the deal. We have a deal, breakfast deal of the day, which you can have a bagel and a fresh orange juice by 3.40. Okay, now, okay, so they Parvati buys a bagel and a cup of tea, and Zain buys a yogurt with fruit and a fresh orange juice, and they pay separately. Okay, so let's calculate how much money they have spent in their breakfasts. Okay, so let's start with Parvati. So Parvati a bagel and a cup of tea. Okay, a bagel, you can see, it's 2.30, and the cup of tea is 1.40. Okay, so he has spent £3.70. All right, and now what about Zain? Let's see. Zain, a yogurt with fruit, which is 1.90, and fresh orange juice, which is 1.80. Okay, so we have 9 plus 8 17. We have a spare 1, 1, 1, 1. So it's 3.70. So they both spent 3.70. Okay. Work out how much money they would have saved if they had paid for everything together. Okay. If they paid for everything together, it would be possible to do the deal. Okay, because one of them takes a bagel and the other takes a fresh orange juice. So together they are able to do the deal. Okay, and then buy the rest of the things separately. Okay, let's see first how much money they have spent individually. All right, so they have spent 370 for Parvati and 370 for Zain. Okay, so 14. They have spent 740. Yeah, 740. Now let's do with the deal. Okay, if we do the deal, we have the bagel and the fresh orange juice by 3.40. Okay, so this is the deal. And then, other than that, we need a cup of tea, which is 1.40 for Parvati, and we need a yogurt for Zain, okay, which is 1.90. This is the yogurt, and this is the bagel. Okay, so altogether 0, 17, spare 1, oops, sorry, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 70. In total, they would have spent £6.70 with the deal. Okay, so work out how much money they would have saved if they had paid for everything together. So we just have to work out this difference. All right, individually they spend 740, and together they are able to do the deal and spend 670. So the difference between those two numbers is 740 minus 670. Okay, 0 to 0 is 0, 7 to 14 is 7, we have a spare one, so 7 to 7 is 0. Okay, so they could have saved 70p, okay, 70p. They could have saved 70p if they joined forces to buy the breakfast instead of buying it individually. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty useful to know how to work out those really real life problems, because we are always dealing with them. Okay, and it's a big advantage to know how to work out numbers. Okay, I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and well, I see you in the next one. Cheers.